Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily connect your phone to an Opel Astra. First, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and your car's ignition is on. Then, access the Infotainment System settings menu. Look for the Bluetooth or phone option to begin the connection process. This simple method will have you connected in no time, ready to enjoy your drive. Once you've selected Add Device on your Astra's screen, your phone will typically appear in the list of available Bluetooth devices. Select your phone's name from this list. Both your phone and the car will then display a pairing code. Verify that these codes match, then confirm the connection on both devices to complete the pairing process. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With your phone successfully connected, you can now enjoy a range of features. Stream your favorite music or podcasts directly through your car's speakers for an enhanced audio experience. You can also make and receive hands-free phone calls, keeping your focus on the road. Plus, access navigation apps for clear, spoken directions right from your infotainment system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.